Hello. Today I will show you how to make a pencil sketch in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find the link to this image in the description. Let's start. Right-click on Image Layer, select Duplicate Layer. Invert layer by pressing Ctrl+I. Then go to the blending mode and change in color dodge. Now go to the adjustment layer and select hue saturation. Change the saturation to -100. Then go to filter blur and Gaussian blur. Set the radius according to your image. Go to the adjustment layer. Select levels and adjust according to your image. That's it. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorial.